Governor Pritzker is taking a stand against the Trump administration. He, along with Planned Parenthood, said they would rather lose money than adhere to a new rule about family planning money. WCIA3's Cole Hankey has more on how this impacts Central Illinois.
A new rule from the Trump administration could make it more difficult for people in Central Illinois to get reproductive health care. Title X laws pay for family planning health care for people who are low income. The federal funding can't be used to provide abortions. But now, if places like Planned Parenthood want that money, they can't even talk about that option with their patients.
For example, we have this brochure. It talks about your options. I could not even hand this to a patient.
President Trump says the new rule will prevent the federal government from subsidizing the abortion industry. Pro-life legislators agree. They would rather see the state invest in alternative options rather than abortion.
The governor and the supporters of abortion in Illinois have promised to make us the most progressive, the most liberal state when it comes to abortion. They want us to attract people to Illinois for abortions, and I think that's a wrong-headed approach.
Governor Pritzker says the Trump administration's gag rule is fundamentally wrong. Planned Parenthood sees this as a direct attack. They anticipated the new rule and set aside emergency funding, but that will only last so long, and soon the people in need of these services in places like Central Illinois will be the victims.
For Title X services, Planned Parenthood's the only provider in Sangamon County. There are several Central Illinois counties where we're the only provider that is offering affordable reproductive health care.
In Springfield, Cole Hankey, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Title X funding is used to provide family planning care to an estimated 4 million women nationwide. Planned Parenthood provides services to about 40% of those patients.